Hello. This is morning rain. It's about 10 o'clock a.m. and this baby is coming down. People are telling me that they didn't get much rain so far this rainy season. Now that I'm here, the rain is showing us behind. This is real rainy season rain. When I left here last time, this building was the second story was done. Now they got the third story on. But very poorly constructed. Walls are all crooked, the lines are crooked. Somebody said anybody can build houses in Liberia. You got to build them all kinds of ways. If you look at the pillars, they got 3 different designs of pillars. All crooked. But it's up there. Somebody is renting the second floor right now. That's why they start painting it. I believe someone is on the first floor. Most places don't utilize the gutter system, so that water comes right off the roof onto the ground, as you can see up there. No gutters. Last night, it rained all night last night. We had a little break this morning, then it came down. That's the way it rains. You see the thing came down suddenly. Now it's tapering off. But it's not done yet. All right, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Just showing you a little bit of rain in Liberia.